Hey guys, Nikki the Fish One here, and today I will be doing a small tutorial on how to build medieval roads. I will be doing 3 types of roads. First of all, this road right here with the 3 stone slabs in the middle and then stone on the outside, and how they turn and stuff like that. And then I will do the same thing, but with stone bricks. Again, on how they turn and straight roads. Well, they're both the same, so maybe not. And then I will be doing run down little pathways like this. So yeah, let's start over here. How about never mind. I will be starting over at the at where the farm is, which is down past the jungle here. So yeah. We are doing a survival series right now, and I have mobs turned on. We figured that out because we had some confusion in the beginning, but yeah, go check the first episode out of that. It was really fun to make. Me and Lego, and I think we're going to make the second episode and post it up later today, or maybe tomorrow, either or. But yeah, I'm doing this tutorial because the tutorial is the biggest hit so far on the channel, and yeah, that's pretty much why, I guess. So, here's the farm. And down here is the walkway. So let's get started. First of all, you will need stone slabs and stone. I will get stone bricks as well. And then later we will get the materials for that path right there. So if you guys want to know commands to get full stone slabs and not just the half slab like this, so you gotta build it up twice. Oops. You do this. Give, and then my name. And then do item number 43. And then I get a double stone slab. So yeah. To do a straight path, it's pretty simple. Just go build out 3 or however many you want with the stone slabs. And then put the stone on the outside. Yay! That's the most boring thing in the world, but it gets much more interesting. Whoa. So for turns, you go 3, and then either way you're going. So if you're going left, you replace that block, and if you're going right, you replace this block. So I'm going right. So I will replace this block, and then start here, and go 4. Again, start there, go 4. And then again, go there, start 4. Okay. And then fill in for corners. Don't do this, because that does not look very good. Put a block here, so it will look better, I guess. And for the stone bricks, it's basically the same thing, but on the outside use stone bricks. I use stone bricks for the fancier parts of my city. And yeah, it's basically it about that. So for this one right here, this path, I will be using stone, gravel. I don't really like to use stone bricks in it, and I really don't use it that much, but I don't think I'm going to be using it. And then cobblestone. And then I'm going to need some slabs. Probably just one, so I'm going to do that. Wait, I didn't even get it, did I? Where was that? Yep, cobblestone slab. So, to go up, you can either use a stair or a slab. But I like using either just because it looks good. And then just basically do any pattern through, just alternate. I'm not going to use stone bricks. Let's see, just keep alternating the blocks so it looks natural, I guess. And then I will put a... So yeah, and also what you want to do is get either bone meal or tall grass. And bone meal or tall grass, anything that's not around it. I usually take out the flowers just because it doesn't look very well. And then cut out, like, if anything's going over the path, cut it out or just leave it like this so it looks like a rundown path, but it's still not, like, the grass isn't growing over it, so it looks like a path. And then here's a wall. I'll do some more over here. So yeah, like that. And maybe a little bit right here. And then carve it out. So like that. And yeah, that is basically all I want to show you. And for the furnace ID and the command block, I will show you that right now. So command block is 137, so /give and then your username and then 137, and you will get a command block. So, and then I think, let me experiment with this, I'm not quite sure, it's 62, I'm pretty sure. Yep, 62. 62 is the furnace. But there's something special about this furnace. Let's see. When you place it down, I'll place it in here. It automatically stays lit. There's nothing in the furnace. It's just a lit furnace. It's really awesome for builds that it's like a little home. You can just put a furnace in here and it stays on forever, I guess. So yeah, that's basically it. When it's getting to nighttime here, I am Nikki the Fish, and thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. And again, on my survival series, watch that. It was really fun to make, and 2 likes, and we will continue it. The same exact way we are, but if not, we will change it. So, thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.